Good day everyone, welcome. Looking to add your Redotpay virtual card to Google Pay. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps seamlessly to link your card. So firstly guys, you need to open your Google Wallet, launch it on your Android device, tap the Add to Wallet button, select the payment card and then choose New Credit or Debit Card. Manually input your Redotpay virtual card information, which are card number, expiry date, CVV code, and cardholder name. After that, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the verification process. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email from Redotpay. Once verified, your Redotpay virtual card will be added to Google Pay. You can now use it for contactless payments at any merchant that accepts Google Pay. Also guys, in terms of the tips, ensure your device supports NFC, that's very important. And also make sure that it's enabled when you're actually cashing out. Your Redotpay virtual card must be active and have sufficient funds. And that's it. You're now ready to make contactless payments using your Redotpay virtual card with Google Pay. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and of course, happy spending.